Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and selecting a presentation or blank template so you can focus on content immediately. Once done, set the page size to 16:9 or your target dimensions to match screens. Make sure to enable outline view and paste your slide headings. This gives a clear structure. You should break content into short headings, one idea per slide, and use built-in styles so later formatting applies consistently and saves time. You now refine layout and visuals to make ideas clear. Start by applying styles for headings and body text so every slide updates together. Insert images and smart art to explain concepts quickly, and use alignment guides and the grid to maintain order. Once done, edit the slide master to place logos, common footers, and uniform backgrounds so you don't repeat edits. Make sure to limit fonts and colors. This keeps slides readable and professional across devices. You finish by adding speaker notes and rehearsing timings to match your delivery. Then export to PowerPoint or save as PDF. If you choose PPTX, embed fonts and media to preserve appearance. Make sure to test the file on the target device and adjust resolution or compress large videos. If something goes wrong, check missing fonts and linked media first, relink files or embed them, and resave. That single troubleshooting step fixes most cross-device display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.